Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you guys in the pinkish of health. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Karin Arisa binti Ramli. I am I am 12 years old. I am studying in Sekolah Kebahasaan Kerandang. I am in 6 Ilmu. My hobby is reading. My ambition to be a lawyer when I grow up. Dear friends, today I'm going to tell you a famous folktale from Malaysian and Indonesian. It's called the story is called Bawah Putih and Bawah Merah. Once upon a time, there lived a kind and hardworking girl named Bawang Putih. But she lived with her stepmother and stepsister, Bawang Merah. Sadly, her own mother had passed away. Start from there, her life become very difficult. Bawang Merah and Bawang Merah and her mother treated Bawang Putih badly. They made her do all the chores, sweeping, washing, cooking and cleaning, while they relaxed and give her orders. Even though she was treated unfairly, Bawang Putih never complained. She stayed patient and gentle. Woman who had found the scarf, the woman gave it back and invited Bawang Putih to rest and eat. Bawang Putih was polite and helped the old woman with housework. Before she left, the woman offered her a gift, two boxes, one small and one big. Bawang Putih chose the small one because she didn't want to be a greedy. When she got home and opened the box, it was full of gold, jewelry, and beautiful clothes. But her stepmother and Bawang Merah became very jealous. They forced Bawang Merah to go to the river and pretend to lose a scarf, hoping she would get a reward too. Bawang Merah met the same old woman, but she was rude, lazy, and refused to help. Still, the old woman gave a choice between two boxes. Bawang Merah picked the big one, thinking it would have more treasure. But when she opened the box at home, surprise! It was full of snacks, dirt, insect, and dirt. From that day on, Bawang Merah and her mother realized their mistake. And so, Bawang Putih kindness brought her happiness, while Bawang Merah learned about being greedy and mean. The story reminds us to all to be honest, patient, and kind, because in the end, goodness always wins. Thank you for listening. May our friendship last forever. Thank you.